Hey guys, Princess Atkins here. So I have been getting so many messages from you guys on Instagram asking about my cute little ponytails. Well, I'm here to show you exactly how I get a cute bouncy little ponytail like this in less than 7 minutes. Okay, you guys, all you need is a super cute fluffy scrunchie, a ponytail holder, and 6 to 8 of those hat pins or hair pins.
And your hairpiece.
All right, let me show you how it's done. First thing, get your hair into a ponytail. It doesn't matter if it's a slicked ponytail like mine or a fluffy ponytail, just get your hair in a ponytail. Next, you're gonna put your hair in a bun. For me, the easiest way for me to put my hair in a bun is to twist my hair around my finger like so, and then wrap the hair, whoops, in the direction that I'm twisting. I'm sorry if my hands are getting in the way. So you want your bun about there. I'm only going to use 3 pins because I don't need that many. If your hair needs more pins to stay put, then by all means use them, but you might not need as many as you think. So my first pin, I'm going to grab the hair like so. I'm going to go down towards my ponytail holder and I'm going to push it in. I'm going to go straight to the other side. Whoops. Grab some of that top hair. See that? And push it in. And then I'm going to go to the bottom. So right here, I'm going to grab this hair and I'm aiming to get that pin underneath the ponytail holder. Next, you take your cute little hairpiece. I will put in the description box below the 2 hair pieces that I'm showing you in this video. This is the shorter one. The other one you're gonna see is the longer one. And what I did is they both came on this little clip. A little claw from the 1990s and the 80s, probably the 90s. The clip came inside here. So it just took a few minutes for me to pry this little net off the clip. I then took that piece of elastic that you see and tied it in a knot. So now you've got a cute little ballet bun holders, exactly what it looks like to me if you guys ever did ballet when you were little. I tied it in a knot. If you're worried about that knot coming undone, you can put a little glue on there, hot glue, super glue, let it dry before you put it in your hair. Of course. And don't get any of those hot styling products or any of those hot glues or glues on the rest of your hair because it'll melt your hair or damage the hair. You just want one little dot right where the knot is. So now you have this cute little bun holder. So I'm going to put my fingers in there and I'm going to attempt to get this around my bun. Sometimes it's easier to get the top on first. Sometimes it's easier to get the bottom. So once it's on, I'm just gonna wiggle it and move it. And so I think it looks centered and for the hair to look right. And then we're gonna take about 3 to 4 pins and pin it down. So just like we pinned our bun, I'm gonna start on one side and you wanna make sure that not only do you get the hair, but you're getting some of that netting on the inside. And then you're gonna try and get that pin underneath your ponytail holder. So we're going to do this side too. Let me see if I can show you what the netting looks like. Getting the hair and the netting and aiming to get it, ooh, that was a good one, underneath the ponytail holder. If you want to do the bottom side, you can. I don't need to. My bun and ponytail are really secure. But the last place I am going to put a pin is right up here in the dead center, just in case this starts getting loose. I don't want it to flip back so you can see my actual bun. I want to keep this part hidden. So we're going to grab the hair and the netting, like so. You can see the hair's moving. I'm going to put that down on my scalp and push it right underneath my ponytail holder. Now, that is super cute all by itself, but sometimes the way that the hairpiece is made, you can see the netting, or Sometimes it just isn't as fluffy and you want something that looks a little cuter. So find a ponytail holder, a scrunchie. These types of things are my favorites to use because they're big and they're fluffy and they tend to hide a lot. They tend to draw a little bit of attention or a pop of color. This one's okay for work purposes. You can use one that's other hair if you want to put around it. It's really easy to do. Put it on like a regular ponytail. So just grab the hair in the bun, pull it around, grab the hair and pull it through. And then you just grab the ponytail holder and fluff it where you can see it. Ta-da! Super cute. Makes you look like you have a cute little tiara on. But guys, under 5 minutes, you can get a super cute little ponytail just like this. So simple and easy, right? Let me show you how to put it away now. So the one in my hair is about 12 inches and the one here is about 20, maybe 24 inches. You can see on the inside, I haven't decided exactly where I want that knot to be, so I'm leaving the extra here. When I put it in my hair, I just tuck it in there. When I figure out exactly how big I want that little bonnet to be in there, I'll cut it off and I'll put a little dot of glue right there. So keep the packaging, keep the stuff that the hair comes in because it's gonna keep it nicer that way. What I generally do is I brush it with a brush. After I take it out of my hair, make sure all the tangles are out. Then I use these little ponytail holders that are made out of stockings. If you have old nylons, stockings, dance tights that have runs in them, cut the toe off and then every centimeter make a cut until you get these little ponytail holders. They're great for your hair because they won't break your hair and they don't tend to leave dents or marks in your hair either. So grab your hairpiece right below where that little bonnet is. And I'm just gonna put the ponytail holder here so I know where that is and to kind of hold the rest of the hair in the direction I want it to go. Most of the hair pieces, excuse me, come with a little net, a hairnet like this. You can also get these at Target, Walmart, any Sally's. Put it over the top where the bun is, and then I just let the rest of the hair fall in, like so. And then they also generally come in a plastic, like this. So I take the heavier piece, the part with the netting, and I put that piece in first, and then just let the gravity pull the hair down, and then sometimes you just gotta push the top in because it's so light. And that's how I store them, just like this. So I know this is the long one, the packaging that is, this is my short one. So quick and so easy. Guys, if you have any questions on what I showed you today, or if you have advice, go ahead and write it in the comments below. Send me a message. I'll do my best to answer whatever your question is. If you have someone that you know would love this hairstyle, please share my video with them. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. You guys have a great hair-tastic day. Natalie out.